Hi, this is Rudolph. Today I would like to talk about my favorite subject, scales. Especially I love the beginner scales. Every student is always so excited to play them. So this method I've used with all my students, and all of them somehow managed to learn the scales. So I thought I'm going to go ahead and share it. This video consists of two parts. The first one is pre-scale simple exercises, and then the second part is actually learning how to play a C major scale on a piano. And this video is not meant to be watched in one sitting, it's just too much. But it's really meant to give you a step-by-step instruction, and you can play along with it and just practice on your own. The word easily you will hear about 1,000 times in this video, so I'm sorry about that. But it really needs to feel pretty effortlessly each step. Otherwise, it's just too hard to try to play a scale if you can't even do like a 3-finger simple pattern.
Okay, I think we're ready to start our exercises. So let's put the right hand thumb on the middle C, and we'll do a very simple pattern. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and play it several times until it starts to feel easy. Once you can do it freely, then we will do the same pattern, but we'll start changing our starting notes. So we'll start again on a C. Now move up 1 to the D. Go 1 more up to the E. F. G. A. B. And back to the C. So go ahead and practice that with your right hand. I would repeat it a few more times so that you can do it really easily and you don't have to focus on every note really hard. Now it's time for our left hand to play. So again, we will do the same pattern, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. We'll start on the same middle C, but since left hand is our mirror image of the right hand, we will be going down. So let's do it this way. Go ahead and repeat it 3 or 4 times so that you can do it easily. And now we'll start changing our starting notes again. So we'll start on this middle C. Now go down 1 to the B. Go 1 more down to the A. G. F. E. D. And C. So go ahead and practice that with your left hand until it becomes pretty easy. Now, once you can do left hand well and the right hand well separately, we'll do the same thing with the both hands. So our both thumbs will start on the same key, the middle C, and again, we'll do 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Let's play it together. Go ahead and repeat it a few more times until, again, it becomes pretty easy to do. And once you can do that, we'll start changing the notes and we will be going up. So we will start on a C. Now let's go to the D. E is next. F. G. A. B. And back to C. So we completed a full circle. We started in the middle C and we ended up an octave higher on this C. So I would practice this for a few days until you can do it pretty easily. You shouldn't be focusing on every single note. Your fingers should be able to do it kind of on their own. Once you can do the 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 pattern with both hands really well, we'll add one more finger to the same pattern. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, we will start in the middle C with the right hand. So let's put that thumb on the middle C and let's play. Go ahead and repeat it maybe 3 or 4 times. It has to feel pretty easy. And now it will go up by one note. So let's start on a C again. Now we'll go one up to the D. E is next. F. G. A. B. And back to C. Okay, that was very nice. Once you can do your right hand pretty easily, let's switch to the left hand. Again, we will start on the middle C and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go ahead and play it. Now it's your turn to repeat it a few more times. Maybe 3, 4, 5, who knows, maybe even 10 times until it gets pretty easy. And now, once you can do it well, we'll do the same pattern and we'll start going down the scale. So we'll start on the middle C. Now go one down to the B. A. G. F. E. D. C. Go ahead and repeat it a couple times. And again, it has to feel pretty easy to do. Once you can do this hand separately, let's try to do it together. Again, we'll start on the middle C. We'll put both hand thumbs on the same note and we'll go do it like this. Go ahead and repeat it a few more times. Once you're ready, we'll be going up the scale. So let's start on middle C. D is next. E. F. G. A. B. C. Once once you can do the 4-finger pattern, why don't we add one more finger? We have 5 fingers on each hand after all. We'll start again on the middle C and with the right hand, and we'll go all the way to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go ahead and play that. For little kids, sometimes adding that pinky can be difficult. So there's one supplemental exercise we can do, and it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, and then you play 1 and a 5 together. For a little older students, 10 and older, and adults, usually playing pinky is not a big deal. But for 5 and 6-year-olds, sometimes that can be tricky. So that playing 1 and a 5 together can make that easier. So once you can do your 5-finger pattern, let's start it again, and we will be going again up the scale. Middle C first. D. E. F. G. A. B. And back to C. Once you can do it with the right hand, well, let's switch to the left hand. We'll start on the middle C with the thumb, and we will go all the way to 5, like this. Go ahead and repeat a few more times. And now we'll start again on the C, and we'll start moving down the scale. B. A. G. F. E. D. And C. Once your left hand is learned well and the right hand is learned well, it's time to put them together. We'll start on the middle C, and we'll repeat the same pattern. And let's repeat it a few more times. Once this is learned, we'll start moving up the scale again. So let's start in the middle C. Let's go to the D. E. F. G. A. B. C.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. and leave a comment below, push a like button, and subscribe if you like this channel. Thanks.